There's no way to do the microphone. It's gonna be windy. It is gonna be windy. So this is session 2. Didn't have my mic on. I didn't even have the camera in here for the first session, which is good. It was slow. For me, it was a little bit of a low fuel situation, like just slightly. So if you follow my channel, if you're familiar, that's like something my Civics do all the time. So it's not new to me. But I did like a 8/10 lap, and then I did a cool down lap like as the faster cars were coming through, and I like skeeted off the track last second and got more gas, and it's like above the full hash mark. So who knows, you know, where it goes from here. It might still hiccup. Hopefully it won't be any more wiggly, tail happy, because there was one little section, or instant. Geez, I can't talk. Instance where the rear end wiggled, but I'm pretty sure it was because there's like a little repair in the asphalt, and I went over that, and it's like bumpy, so I got a little like loss of traction from the rear end, and it kind of squirreled out, and I just counter steered and it brought it back in, and then I moved over to a better line, and it didn't get any worse. It didn't spin around, and I pretty much stayed in it. Okay, session is go. He's doing that because I did that to him last time, that copier. Except mine had way more style. You gotta like really wiggle your wrist around. Alright. Here comes the wind noise. he's really fast, obviously, in the straight lines, but he's having, I don't know, confidence, or just he doesn't want to push his tires in the turns, so I'm able to at least have fun in the corners. The fuel gauge is already under the F mark. And I'm gonna have to back off because I can't just sustain this like pace. I mean, I'm not backing off yet. I still got oil pressure.